Dakelwa. I used to hate Zulus, guys. Nasekhaya kuthiwe nje hlukana ungalinge. And then I had this thing, you know this thing yamaZulu ukuthi bangakhuluma amanye ama-language. Okay, sharp. So mina kahle I used to speak Xhosa fluently. I was very fluent in Xhosa. Okay. And then I had a Xhosa friend, varsity and everything Xhosa friend. Sharp. And then during that time, so it was me, Namutswana, my Xhosa friend, and then there was a Zulu girl. uZulu ke wasifundise isiZulu. Wayenza ukuthi sikhulume isiZulu to a point whereby I even forgot gore ke bua yang isiXhosa. Hawu ngase ngihlangana ke nensizwa yakwaZulu. Ase ngikhuluma ke isiZulu kuphela. Yazi even mangisekhaya ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi kimutswana.
Uyabonakala abafana.
So yeah, ngase ngikhuluma isiZulu kanjalo ke. And then I spent most of my time around Zulus. Angazi nami ukuthi ngabathanda kanjani.
It's my first time seeing it this close.
Really?
Yeah.
Ngashona phansi kugibela mina nawe.
Yo, mfethu.
Noma cabanga kugibela mina no Lontuzana nomuntu kaMpumelelo. Ngashona phansi.
Lazim bakhulu lo.
Ngashona phansi ngiyakutshela.
Nondlekile no2.
Hayi ngashona phansi ngiyakuchazela.
Hayibo. Oh, I almost thought I've lost the
friend.
car
I seen my comment. I can't see the comments.
Kodwa tiredo. Guys, advise me. Konoti, guys, advise me. Tirelo, you and Amahle have a good relationship. Tirelo, I love you. Leave Zulu boy. Kuzega. No, you are starting. Yo. Guning. Buka, ngiphethe ngisho ezinye izicathulo la emotweni ukuze main location ithi bhekane ngibhekele. Nah, the
which shoes did you decide to go with?
No, I'm wearing right now I'm wearing Tekkies because bese ngigodola with the slides, yo.
Fela, which Tekkies did you take?
The Black Steve made it.
Would you date a Tswana guy? No, I wouldn't.
They are not Jimmy. But they are not Jimmy. Yeah, hey, mina why?
Duran mabana bara Camila ubwesi Sotho.
Akehon.
Awukhona iridiye ka khuru.
Mina ngihlezi mengizofaka izinqa zemoto nje ngaphansi.
Ngaba shuthi phela awukwazi kahle ukudriver.
Utak. No,
ukudriver akusinto yakho.
No, man. There was a van in front of me.
Ayikho leyo nto. Ngoba phela le moto leyo ine-parking assistant. Uhlula yini wena?
Mina ngithanda ukwenza ama-accident. Sharp.
Accident yani?
Ngathola ukuthi manje sengiye phambili kakhulu. Ngaze ngadlulela ulayini ngaya le.
Kuthiwani bathini sengiyawabona ama-comments.
Asikwenzi lokho nje kwami ka-live. Kwa-live wami. Oh, I know, it's fine.
But what's my star sign? I'm a Pisces. Ufikile umuntu.
Yebo. So, male ngidrophe manje. Ngiyobe sleeping
la bese uyadropha. Ungiletha la bese uyadropha.
No, we'll go live later. Are you not coming back?
Hayi bo kahle wena musukhuluma indaba zethu la.
Okay. So khuluma ke. And I can see the girl.
Sithe siyabu ququ. Hayi bo ququ.
Yebo bathi awudrop. Ngizobuye ngikufonele, bengithi ngifuna ukufonela ngelokho nje nge-WhatsApp.
Okay.
Hi bazala mamzito, welcome to Umkosi Nomagatsheni. I am Umagatsheni. So bazala mamzito, a lot of us were thinking that uThirelo isiZulu sifundiso uMpumela Mseleko, the reason akhuluma isiZulu, and for me usikhuluma so fluently, even though abanye abade feel as if uzenza umayeni, I don't see that. Ingakho ngazi ngikhulume ngayo, ngifile ngathi ukhuluma yena ubuyena bakhe, and sometimes vele mawubukela kumuntu sometimes unokufana nokuba nokufana naye, you understand? So but a lot of people we thought ukuthi isiZulu usifunde ngoba sekathandana nomfana kaMsele, which is uMpumela. uThirelo uthi no, she has been talking isiZulu, but before akhuluma isiZulu bekakhuluma isiXhosa. She used to talk isiXhosa very fluently because bekanomngane umXhosa. Then on the friend group kwajoyina umZulu, then they started speaking isiZulu, and I've once heard her athi elinye igama lakhe uNhlanhla or noNhlanhla, yingakho ugogo wakhe bokumZulu, yingakho unabo ubuZulu in her, guys, unabo ubuZulu in her. So I think this thing ukuthi siloku sisho uMpumelelo uMpumelelo ufaka isiZulu kuThirelo ayikho, ayisebenzi, and now we all know and we can see that the love uMpumelelo analo for uThirelo, I don't think angamforce ukuthi ayenze into angayifuni, and knowing uThirelo as a woman that she is, I don't think angayenza into angayifuni. Yes, we may say ukwenza konke okujabulisa uMpumelelo, but she's also doing izinto ezijabulisa yena, and I love the fact that she's one of the strongest women I've ever seen on TV, and I love the fact that she's pushing, guys. uThirelo, she's pushing, she's truly working hard. Let's just give her that. She's a beautiful woman who's working hard. Yes, and I have a soft spot for Mpumelelo, of which umyeni wakhe, guys, indoda yakhe or ubibideli wakhe, because the umshado wabo ama-allegations ukuthi they are married, umfana sekayibhadalile ilobola awakabi proven. I think sizozibona on the next season of Izingane Ezithembu or on the next season of Uthando Nesithembu, but uwumuntu wakhe vele uzoba ne-soft heart. As for working hard, let's just give her. As for her being beautiful, let's just give her. As for her being strong, let's just give her that. And the fact ukuthi uhlala egoleni akahlali noMpumela, it shows ukuthi yena uyapusha. The fact that she has gained a lot of things, the gigs that she got this year, the brands that she worked with this year, it shows that she is dedicated emsebenzi wakhe and she's moving forward. Maybe that is something uMpumelelo ayithandayo ngoThirelo. Uyabona ukuthi if mangahlala nalo nkosikazi, I'll never go hungry. If mangahlala nalo nkosikazi, angeke ngize ngihlupheke. If mangahlala nalo nkosikazi, angeke ngiphinde ngibuyele emuva, because kule season esiphila kuyo or kule economy esikuye as ama-South African, akuvumi ukuthi ube nonkosikazi ongafunda ukusebenza or ube nomuntu nje, a housewife. I wouldn't recommend a housewife for a young man. I wouldn't recommend a wife who is lazy to work or who is lazy to think for a young man, because let's just be honest, this economy ifuna umfazi osebenza, this economy ifuna umfazi strong, and this economy ifuna ukuthi umfazi wena mawaphela amandla kuwe ezindoda yena akwazi ukuvusa wakhe. Yes, so bazalwane mzitho, please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.